Hello guys, welcome back to Civil Engineering YouTube channel. Please subscribe our channel for daily civil engineering videos. In today's lecture, we are going to find out the slope, and we are going to discuss that how to calculate the slope of a road surface of any drainage surface. So I will explain this topic with the help of an example so it will be more easy to understand. I'm considering here any surface. For example, this is any surface, and then we have road, and then again any surface or dump area. So here is the road. From here to here is the road where the traffic is moving, for example, in this direction, and on the other the traffic is going in the opposite direction. And here we have some dump area. Here you see on the left side, if I draw it with the left color, so dump area is here and dump area is here. And let's suppose we are going to find the slope of this area or the slope of this dump surface. So mostly the slope is given in the unit of, for example, it is given in this form 1:50 or 1:100 or 1:200 and so on. Mostly it is written in this form where the left side value, this value represent the vertical value, and this right side value shows the horizontal dimension of the slope. Now what does this mean? It means if I consider this is any surface, we have a slope here, increase in the height. So what we see here, how to define this 1:50. For example, the slope of this is 1:50. So it means if I draw with a different color, it means one is vertical. The first left side shows the vertical. So it means I will draw the two dimension here. So it means this vertical portion is 1. It might be meter, it might be 1 foot, it might be 1 inch, and so on. In this right side, the other value shows the horizontal. It means 50. So 50 meter or 50 foot or 50 inches and so on. So if 1 meter is the height of this area of the surface, so 50 meter will be the horizontal length. So 1 means it is the vertical height, and this other portion, this 50, means horizontal length or horizontal portion. Similarly, if I want to show this 1/100, for example, we have here, for example, another road surface like this way, and I want to, the traffic is moving like in this way. It's the traffic is going in this way on the road surface, and the slope of this is 1:100. 1:100. So it means that 1 is the vertical. If I draw the reference lines here, from here to here, this will always be the reference line. So 1 meter will be the height of this road, and the horizontal distance for each 1 meter, the horizontal distance will be 100 meter. If it is for example, 1 kilometer, so the horizontal portion will be 100 kilometer. So each left value shows the vertical dimension or the vertical number, and this right value represent the horizontal. So if you saw such value, it always represent the left one the vertical and the right one the horizontal. So this is how we mostly define the slope. Now let's suppose we are going to find out the slope of any road surface. We are going to find out the percentage slope of any road. So this is a road. For example, this is any road here. And let's suppose this vertical distance of this road, this is the road. The vertical distance of this road is, for example, 10 meter, and the horizontal distance of this road is 20 meter. So how to find the percentage slope of this road? So to find the slope can be found out. The percentage slope is equal to the rise divided by run. Now rise, it means the height, which is 10 meter rise, and run means the horizontal one, this is rise, this is run, sorry, and this is rise. So run is equal to 20 meter. So meter will be cancelled. We got here 0.5. If you multiply it with the 100, we get in percentage. So percentage slope of this road is equal to the 50%. So now we can write it here that the slope of this road is 50%. So this number will be shown on the road 50%. It means that the 50% of its vertical dimension is lower than that of the horizontal. So this 50%. If you 100%, it means that the vertical is equal to the horizontal. So vertical dimension is equal to the horizontal, then we have 100%. 50% means that the vertical dimension is half to that of the horizontal. So we see here it is 10 meter and it is 20 meter. The 20 meter half is 10 meter. 20 divided by 2 is 10 meter. So that's why we have a 50% slope. So this is the way how to find out the percentage slope. For example, if I consider the another case, for example, this dimension, let's change this dimension. I'm going to make another example. For example, this vertical height is, let's suppose 10 meter, and this horizontal is 100 meter. So what will be the slope? Slope is simply, I will write percentage slope is equal to the rise divided by run. So 10 meter divided by 100. So we got here 0.1. We will multiply with the 100%. So we got here 10%. So now the road of this profile is equal to the 10% slope. So this I just wanted to show how to find the slope, the percentage slope of a road of any surface. You just have to divide the two factors. One is the rise, the height, and one is the run, which is the horizontal dimension. So hope you guys understand, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for daily civil engineering videos. Thank you for watching our video.